guys, I have iOS 12 beta. What is up, guys? Welcome back to another JosephGallienXD YouTube video, and in today's video we will be getting iOS 12 beta version. It's actually, the link is in the description below. So basically, for starters, what you want to do is you just go to, what's that? But anyways, you want to go to the link in the description, which if you guys go to the link, it will take you here, and you might have to open it up in Safari, not YouTube's online browser thing. So yeah, so firstly what you want to do is you want to go ahead and click iOS 12 beta profile, and as you can see, they even have macOS, they have watchOS. So if you guys want watchOS, give this video a like and I will provide you guys with it. So basically what all you want to do is you want to just click iOS 12 beta, and as you can, and fun fact, I already have iOS 12 installed on my phone, but I want to show you guys, I'm going to take you guys through every step. So as you can see, you should get this in things like that. So as you can see, it says, do not click on anything at the bottom, it's a scam. I'm telling you right now, don't fall for it. We're just going to click skip ad. And then you want to come to this screen and you can read this. Make sure you read a lot of these things because some of the stuff could be getting you, but you just want to go ahead and click allow, and then this should pop up. It should say choose a device. So we're not doing this on our Apple Watch, we're doing this on an iPhone. So we're gonna go to iPhone, and this should pop up, and so this is the part where you're gonna click install. I'm not gonna click install, and then you'll probably have to wait like 14 minutes to an hour, just depending on your internet connection speed. Then again, the link will be in the description below. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and click, I'm gonna click cancel. So yeah, so now once that's downloaded, your phone is gonna probably have to start up, and then you should have, wow, I have a lot of profiles. Okay, so you should see this, and you can go ahead and remove it, but as you can see, it's right here, and as you can see, even my settings are changed, like screen time, that wasn't there before. So yeah, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. We have iOS 12, that is weird. Oh yeah, I almost forgot the main feature of iOS 12, and I was texting myself as usual. So this is the emoji character, which you can customize and things like that. You customize the skin tone, you can just go fun, So yeah, you guys, so as you can see, you have all of that and more. Now I do want to point out that this is, wow, don't break your neck, buddy. This is only, I believe this is only for, well, I know that this is only for the iPhone X, and this is a 2.61 gigabyte installation. So you guys, the link will be in the description below. Go ahead and get this because yeah, it's pretty awesome, and you can play around with it, see what you like. So yeah, you guys, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.
The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't